Importing files into Xero currently need manual data entry, a process which has long been an Achilles heel for most business owners. Accountants are left spending countless hours every week feeding every transaction data manually. The job becomes especially difficult for a self-employed entrepreneur who ends up wasting most of their time in entering transaction data from Amazon, PayPal, bank, invoices, expenses, and check into painfully long journals. SaasAnt Transactions is a top-ranked data entry software trusted by small business and worldwide accountants to rid themselves of the pain of manual data entry into Xero. SaasAnt Transactions software is a great time saver for busy professionals that ensures data accuracy and eliminates manual mistakes. SaasAnt Transactions helps you import all your transaction data to your Xero in 3 simple steps. Upload your file, map the file headers, and import. It's that simple. Our primary features include Delete feature to remove unwanted transactions in Xero, Modify feature to override transactions in Xero for data correction, Export feature to download your transactions from Xero for reporting and migration purposes. But that's not all. Other exciting features like Preview your data before the actual import, supports all types of translations and lists. SaasAnt Transactions supports all versions of Xero. We offer endless customization and outstanding customer care and support along with instant file processing to ensure that our robust and reliable software can solve every single one of your accounting problems in the least amount of time possible. So if you feel that our SaasAnt Transactions is the perfect solution for your hassling accounting problems, feel free to drop us an email at support@saasant.com or initiate a live chat right now.